Hey YouTube, quick video on waterproof jackets for when you're cycling in the rain. I've got about 4 to show you. First up, the one I'm wearing. This one from Decathlon, the B-Twin is about 25 euros. This one was about 30 euros. And I've even got the more expensive poncho. This brand is Agu. I can't remember how much that was, but all of these are supposed to be waterproof. This one says lamination waterproof, 5,000 millimeters breathable. Honestly, for me, none of these have really worked that well because when it rains, the water kind of pools between your elbow or on top of your shoulders and it still seems to seep through. These are supposed to have some sort of coating, but what I notice is they stay waterproof at the beginning for the first couple of months, but the more you use them, the more it gets wrinkled. This coating seems to go away and you get wet, basically. So I'm not a fan of any of these. The one I want is this sort of material. Now I've got a kid's version here, but it's much thicker polyester. The absolute best one I've found, and I've put the link below, is by Petit Bateau. I'm guessing it's a French or Belgian brand. It's about 100 and something euros, but they've got them for men and for women, and it's got a lining on the inside, and it's the same kind of kids material. So I think this was a kids manufacturer of kids clothes, but then they've done versions for adults because parents said they work so well for the kids. Have you got one for me? So it's about 100 and something euros. It's got this thick raincoat material but with a warm lining on the inside. Links below, please check it out. Thanks.